All right, how dirty is too dirty for using rain system ceramic waterless wash? So let's take a look. Sorry about the glare. All right, what you want to do is shake it up really good. And in this situation, you want to saturate all the heavier, dirtier areas. So this has all the road salt, all of the nice junk you don't want on your car. Let that dwell for a little bit. Now, mind you, obviously I would probably take a pressure washer, rinse most of this off before I would do this, just to make your life easier. But in this situation, we don't have that luxury, so we're using waterless. Now, get your towel, spray, okay? Let that soak a little bit more. Come back, give it another spray. Okay. Get your pre-spray towel, start from the top. And just keep wiping like that. Okay. You're just scooping up all the dirt. Okay, like that. And flip your towel, or you can flip it on this side actually. Give it another spray. Normally, if the car's a little bit cleaner, you wouldn't have to do so much, but in this situation, just showing you, Rain Systems waterless wash is powerful enough to break down all of this road salt, snow, all the mud, dirt, anything that gets thrown at it is totally fine. Now, take your other towel and just buff it into high shine. Okay, let's put this one more time. Take the lint out. I like to just do just a little mist. Okay, should be good to go. This car's never been detailed, never been polished. None of that. So here's a good 50-50 for you to show the power of Rain System. I'm going to try to keep this going without stopping it. So here's the before. Don't worry guys, it's okay. Did all that. Here's the after.